What if I told you you could go from playing Mario Kart to being in Mario Kart? Here's how. So what do I need in order to do go-karts?
Where did you come from?
New York, America.
Oh, and do you have yes, this one?
International driver's license? I don't, but I can get it.
If you bring this one, you can drive it.
Oh, so just this one?
This one and passport.
Okay.
And maybe you have to
passport
because 12 is the full. Yeah, so maybe you can. Yeah. So do you bring it in this tour?
I live here.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah, I teach. I teach English and music.
I see. So do you want to try? Do you want to book in a time?
Well, right now I just want to get the information and then make a plan later.
Okay.
So what do you mean by 12? Like this is for the timing?
Yeah, because 12 people is full. So
okay.
Yeah, we can accept. So maybe you can Instagram. You can follow our Instagram and send a message to us and book in a time you like.
Okay.
Or you can search.
Do you have a website?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yes.
So.
And maybe you can search our Akiba Kart or follow Instagram and maybe you can book in a K-local theater. Yeah. In that internet, we will receive your reservation.
Okay.
And you also can check which time is have space for people.
Okay, and so how does it work? Like, do I drive around the city or?
Yeah, in downtown. There is 2 hours and 1 hour tour.
Okay.
1 hour tour, and 2 hours will go to Osaka Castle. Yeah. Osaka Castle, and 1 hour it will in downtown, maybe Dondobori.
Okay.
Maybe American town.
Okay. Oh. Okay, and can I schedule it in advance, like a few days in advance, or does it have to be the same day booking?
Oh no, in advance. Actually, we hold in advance. Yes.
In advance. Okay, and how much do you guys charge for like?
1 hour is 14,000 each person, and 2 hours will be 18,000 one person.
Okay, is it a 2-seater or 1-seater cart? Oh, may I?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Welcome.
All right.
And also, you can wear a costume.
Oh, really? Yeah. So when you do the booking, you can wear the costume?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you so much. May I?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry, okay. So, cool. Nice.